release so. Adum 106.3. Adum 106.3 na watch about power sima dum watwe. Nzimani be ka tro se don watwe ebo pa ho sima dum watwe. Hey, Adum 106.3. And I draw that. Na on say nyame bo ade no. Eya na niam na bi wo a esisi a na wotete a na wohwehwem na hu ne say yampa. Na me ya age abante na obetena ha be ka kire yen say Ghana the new Israel no asa me ya age adi. Cause niam na bi wo a esisi a na sa wote a na wohwehwem a esisi so ma hu ne say niam no ya yampa. Eti mo papa ba ko Kumasi afa ne mrantia hene yebo afere. Tamne na ye adwo wo Tech FM. O wasemi otakosi asem no. Wo de tare ho na anya ye. Na wo de bia ho na anya ye a wo de gina ho etimi ye ye. Twa bi bia ho, twa bi tare ho na amfa wo de gina ho a etimi ye ye. Mantia hene ma che. Nyame bo ade no. Ohun say ye danya o man bi baba ye friend Ghana. Because Bible say na onim adeye nyina ewo na hyase ekosi na wieye sa na Bible no kan so wo kan Quran al-Nisia eno so ka kire wo say and Allah knows it all from its start to its end nti ewo Quranim and ewo Bible say na nyame nim adeye nyina na hesia ekosi awieye Bible kura de okasa osi efi epomfiti ase ene mepo ahyase ekosi da wo bedwiri won agu a wonya no nkasa biemu no na nyame ye nyame Muhammad sudu Medina okachire won se ansa na nua beba na emepo beye mepo a ede banbo eba no na Allah nim enti say Allah ye nyankopon na say nyankopon ya Allah it means that God knew Ghana no him say krobi baba maybe baba friend Gold Coast ni ya be friend Ghana enti say na tia dia I think that God had a special interest in this country. Eti nyame sheda say create a country called GHANA. Everybody say God has appointed in Nkrumah already. God has done. Whatever it is, in the beginning there is God. There's a G, so there's God. Eti nyame a obo nade yo soro yo asase ene emu niam nyina no wendi abro omanye po. Yen na yenya hu eposo mfaso yen ene yenya ehu eposo mfaso apart from woyere a ye tutu no emfaso dia bebre e wopum e che woyere yen na yehu ye nyame anya ya bro omanye poa ye benya nam awe me ka say time na me mama ye nurse e was Saltpond government hospital na me papa so ye a dispenser wo the same hospital e transfer papa kwa anomabo say what was na yete na nkase no e was Saltpond. What was I say bonsu abeto mpoano wo be kono na bonsu well abeto kakraka na ye dwa ye wonam bi ne ye friend forifori wo ko central region ho a friend forifori ni na afripum na eba ye nyi ye ba de hu niema ti nyame anyi abro man ye po owie ye wanyi abro no man ye rivers enti ye wochi ye wodensu ye wayensu ye wodenden ye wodenden ye wodenden ensu atade bebre twa ye ho ahia cause onim say ye den asankrofo no esese wodidi na wo wenam. Ghana is the only country in the whole of Africa and nyame anye yabro aboa bia bi ewo ha aboa bia bi ewo ha na ewiase abodi nyansa pefo ahwehwe mahunu se Ghana asase ne ya asase a aboa bi a wo wiase bi bia so de ne ba obetumi atena eti enoma na kan na omkwa South Africa omuntimi ntena de omani kire Zimbabwe omantimi ekọ Rwanda omantimi no ombeso ya Ghana for Ramsey site wa ha aboa bi na oka plane mu na omde na ba ship mu na friends say raccoon ontimi ntena so many countries the whole of Africa but raccoon etimi ntena Ghana Nyamija rivers ne to ho de wanya yabro eno osama yesi bibi di man made lake ma yensu atatai ye fra bibi lake bosomtwe wonim lakes ni bi owie ya no Nyankopon yensem ohada ma ye special nwe special monkeys Fiama Monkey Sanctuary. God intentionally gave us special species of monkey and we kura Nyankopon sheda ma the special one of enwe and what you know on my the TX gorillas chimpanzees and to Ghana chimpanzee and the yatam and yadana kwato Tampa Bay one zoo special chimpanzee na Ghana no wo on my elephant on my money nyina bi me fam one de nto nchen owie ya no ba ya asase a eye papa chen asase bia in the whole world many kwami sefaka in Israel we met a soil scientist ewo Benamin ni fie ewo Israel ewo Dimona. The soil scientist told us that the whole world omanya wo asase a ade bia wo de besi asase ni mu eye Ghana, and this is documented enya de a obi abodi trim na oka omanya wo asase a ade bia any seed wo de tuma eye Ghana, and say Israel so te owie ya no wanye ya bro wa manya banchi bode mankani ijenne enwa enkoto edenden owie ya no sama yen gold no man diamond no man bauxite no man manganese no man aluminium bobo mamie wo de wayere abeka ho diamond so sanso soso wanyina chi no yenye ye denti ne yenye ye yadwen ye ya sheda ne yese ye ho saa na nyamida bia bibisi na efri yensa no wa men ade foforo sese ya me no kasei sa wo fa koko 1 ton a teniye wo fa koko 1 ton $1,720 fatu trim dollars $1,720 US koko 1 ton as of 2018 1 ton now $1,720 US per ton. Say ufa gold 1 ounce gold enya tons na dey ounce and kilos. Ufa 1 ounce of gold $1,285 US. When you na chi na nyame nyansem no oman ya dua bia ye friend rosewood. The whole world ya jatum say oman ya ewom na one day no eye papa de di kan Israel de tosum yenu Ghana. There are only 2 countries under the sun yenye rosewood no eye papa any match anti actor or US friend Brad Pitt wata akonwa ya di rosewood and $6.6 million akonwa na okwatem no bo furniture for the rooms $6.6 million. Adentra ya the rosewood na ye. When you go back to check the history of rosewood, 17th October 2016, United Nations Convention on International Trade and Endangered Species esheda yemra say rosewood dachi say area na wo hwan nyina ye kasa say de enema ntentan na wo area nanim efri ho nti area no boy so direct ma ye bre no ade e betimi ye save wiase e rosewood na ne papa ne bebrebe so wo Ghana tie ne ye o eti United Nations eyemra say yembo rosewood ho ban said ya beya yen chance no entungu cause dua special tree sa wo ko gomwa lands wa ye wodua bia fa no kuminam te me kan mo a munim kuminam no ene ye fa no rosewood no kuminam ni din no ketekete rosewood no se ya de bowa wotimi bubu eti sa wo ko alata mema wo be hu say yesi wo hwe na jira movies a priest na eba no dua na omde pe wona ho so kansan ni na no eye rosewood ebinu kwa say spectral tree ya de bowa na bubu rosewood empro say duro kan we duro kan yo aboa bia ne ho obetimi awi rosewood e was special fragrance and one can say hwam ti ya friend rose kan din ne ho no the atoso mi ensa ne say eyedua 1 ton tieriyo just a ton of rosewood $17,000 pacho cocoa 1 ton 1,200 1,700 cocoa 1 ton $1,700 rosewood 1 ton is 17,000 10 times the price of cocoa 1 ton. Gold 1 ounce $1,285. Yay! Rosewood 13 times the price. Na enu na nyamia me ye bia yatena ho okrom ha. China for 2 year gold. Asay yensuo, asay asase, asha hwan, ni nua Helena hwan. Omienu abegu krom ha, na o ma say yensuo, ene yensase. Helena nso ba ya, onu nso rosewood no, ene o twadwane. Apostle for kwache na abusuafo yi. Yese maame no, wadwane bail. Ye pena ye huno. Na hwan ene sign bail. Ema no, wo de ba me kwa homa no so. Na mene openi Ayam Gabawa Fatau ni dini ya medema ona ye leader of the Rosewood Task Force. Eja Fatau, good morning.
Yes. Good morning, Mr. Captain Smart.
Mpachona te say.
Tier 4 so.
Tier 4 ina so. Mo se wo tumu wa hu.
Yeah, se am wo tumu.
Minim sabe kind of offer that se Rosewood ya obey how many acres na wo Ghana? So one can
before illegal rosewood loggers or mobile especially the trade northern regions. Let me narrow it down to upper west region.
Okay.
Not rosewood no go so pa. But se me way Captain Smart Oma rosewood no is with some few rosewood species in our land.
Hey, be Rosewood na ye wona ye dia no enkrofo abewia dua no
enkrofo abewia Chinese for nkwa. Let me tell you, Captain Smart, statistics shows that about 3 million species of rosewood and free only upper west.
Pacho
only upper west. So all they share upper west power ye vegetation. Oko forestry documents almost say three northern regions your vegetation is fragile. So almost say be fragile, it means it is at risk of either collapsing or declining in existence. So Oko forestry books you are not supposed to do any logging in the three northern regions because our vegetation is fragile. But ye nim de ba era omuma permit say Chinese for omumbecha rosewood ewo ya asase se se amika se we se ekodu dry season na nso mba no sa rosewood we na yakotwa leaves no ema ya animals ena omudi over your vegetation no sa rosewood no na the strongest and most durable species of tree obenya wo ya asase. But Chinese women oma between rosewood no nyina okoye even game reserve, the only reserve we have in Upper West on no omofre Bele reserve. Chinese for our reserve no and omutwa rosewood ewo reserve no. So mobo papa
he no omutwa won de fa ye hu dua sisi ho ne ye twa so ye hu
Captain Smart o se dey
esi adua no he na ya omode fa
aya omode fa kwan so uba tumu sesi a omotwa nnua no ebi mu fa wa ebi mu fa apayis de omofa omofa apayis no eya omokofa Eastern Corridor Road no ebi mu fa Eastern Corridor Road no ena obi mu fa straight coin no Kintampo coin no eya omofa street no enye sa omofa wuram omofa street eya omofa street custom police forestry omo coin so eya omo ena omo ko say eya omo settle omo
almost settle police for the customs for the one.
Oh, massa almost settle obia. Almost settle. After Elena de massa, Elena. Yes, stakeholders and now leaders. Massa. Almost all of them or more Elena packet them. Say Elena see omunchi untu mena omubechi watu.
Hey.
Elena see omunchi untu omubechi watu. Say Elena wotumu. No stay or wotumuna asem we ba na ofri dwane ko Togo Elina wotumu warrant den wotumu mi kase se Elina wo asase wo blocks wo asase no so wotumu
ena
Elina si omunchi wotumu mo bechi watum
ena wa set
koso yeah serious Captain Smart
ena wa settle obia
wa settle obia Elena settle Captain Smart, it will interest you to know. Ebedru spam bi kura no. Say who local, who cho Rosewood say obeto ma Elena. Ono Elena na obekira price na obeto Rosewood no. Oya obeka kira okoroport no wo police station. Udi agro kura ukwa obefo ochi abeshisa Rosewood no. Ena o ama wo price na ono open no. Ofa case no ko police station useless. Enko bebia.
Ewo tumu police station ho.
Masa enko bebia. Oya kwa obekira obekira opesa oya okakira o se opekura for case no ko wa police station. So woni Elena de muntimi nkokura. Dia ono ope ono oye. Even as I speak to you, some game and wildlife officers omo invite omo akwa Accra say Adentina Omusisi Elena Niamana Omudi Juma wa game reserve. Just 3 days ago, Oma Safra Omakwaka Forestry Commission office. Oma Fre game workers now Omusi Omupense Elena Nkoye Juma wa reserve no.
Hey, Asamana catch me.
Not quite long ago, 3 board members, national board members of Forestry Commission, 2 males, 1 female, Omuba Tumuha. Say omo confiscating locks na free other suppliers no honum apaton ama Elena.
Hey nyabotre forestry workers na adwuma said abeya Helena entimi ntwandua na small game
members Captain Smart board members dey me say baako no kura he was recommended into the board by vice president because he had an NGO that was into protection of the vegetation.
But Vice President Beya, current and past?
Current Vice President.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Yes, please.
Okay, it was right.
He recommended him because he was running an NGO that was into the protection of the vegetation. But this same gentleman being part of the board was part of 3-member team that came to Tumu to confiscate logs from other suppliers and sell it to Elena.
Knowing said the Helena no or smuggle Rosewood no and I said
very well. Look, Helena what to Helena need documents or new residential permit to be ourselves. He should stay in Tumu. Helena can tell you from investigation, Helena passport awu whilst she was in Tumu. So as I speak to you, investigation shows that Helena or booking or Togo Lomi. So she wants to sought the help of Chinese embassy to renew her passport. Now the passports are woo. So now new residential permit be on way to move. But as I speak to you, you have immigration officers in Tumu border.
Patrol, na de minimum say police for chino. Na ye den no be a police for chino no.
Police for no there. E what tamale na omo chino.
Okay.
Na or transporting Rosewood no be akọ Accra. And now mochi no coin. Start to say, the Rosewood be free to move side. or the Rosewood Nifru Sisala land. And oko. Na Colombia ewo apayi so mo friend China. No omuso omu task force. And omuchi cars no. Omuchi cars no kura drew almost 1 month. Ewo sa krom no omu friend China. Ahona now Abuga Pele oye MP no. So omu release cars na after 1 month time na. Omu corner police force omu owo tamale. Omuchi no wo tamale ne. Omu si the mama say some respected high profile lawyer na Oko Bailey Elena from police station. But the yen say police no omun fre sa lawyer ni di. Lawyer na Oko Bailey Elena from police station.
Tamale. Lawyer ben.
Lawyer mimi nim ni di. But police no so omun pese but the nim ni say lawyer na Oko Bailey no. Lawyer na Oko Bailey no. From there na omudi almost smuggling a Kumasi from Kumasi no Oko Lemu.
See, one man the bail war Tamale no more than a far Tamale ko Kumasi.
From Tamale no. No, omudi no call from Kumasi no omudi no call Lomi, Togo.
Internet say Jumanan Kasa tax force no man penia kra TSC hono. Jumana sesa mo ye no kra na powers that be mamo kwan mo nya Jumano.
Captain Smart, you now your work 3 northern regions. You name said president or tax force checking illegal logging. What we are aware of in the country is a tax force constituted to check illegal mining. As for logging, we are not aware of any tax force because we have never seen any tax force come around Sisala land or Upper West or Upper East coming to check on illegal logging because that thing has been done with impunity. Sometimes even your local task force then they threaten you with security agencies. My brother, look, since we started with our task force in Tumu area, we have suffered with the action and inactions of stakeholders, state apparatus who ought to have checked this illegal logging. So we are not aware if the president has constituted a task force because we have never seen any task force on the ground checking illegal logging. Because they say, your reserve, no belly reserve, or my word belly reserve, must outside vegetation. No. Reserve outside vegetation. No.
The only Rosewood Reserve are your Ghana, Hano, Yaseno.
Or what say reserve, no.
Mpacho ma regional minister manier ma DC ya manier police commander say ho mo ya we
Captain Smart na illegal loggers no mote omuti kroma almost every day locals now omo no ye jima kura eye omo nti omo ka omo ko report omo police station almost every day na case na ekohin case na ya okohin. Captain Smart, there was a day say Elena was supposed to appear before court. Elena court now was court no, and almost sorry catch magistrate say Elena New Town, and Elena tina court no. In Tumu here.
Na Helena to court once you catch
na Helena to court no, and almost catch magistrate Helena New Court or New Town.
Wow.
Look, the revelations are very shocking. Yeah, the enemy say for protecting the vegetation, president has failed us woefully. President was failing woefully. They all who say important, they say unconstituted task force to handle illegal money. But as for us in the 3 northern regions with our vegetation, the government is not concerned about it. Who say anytime we interview Sir John, or say Rosewood no or farmers no mutual go form na omuma salvage permit. But Sir John has never for once decided that let me also go to the grounds and see for myself. But Sir John will always sit in Accra and help them to issue salvage permit to Chinese loggers to come and sell fresh logs. Because Sir John logs now on all who are Accra and old logs. Who logs no what tema habo kura ubenim say fresh logs. fresh logs. We don't have any major construction in our area. We don't have any heavy farming that farmers go to fell rosewood. Come and see, most of our farms we do clear even without putting down single rosewood. Sometimes I can clear a land, 10 acres of land, without putting down a single rosewood log. So how do you give permits that the logs are lying on the ground? And you, as an officer, wouldn't even come to the ground for once to ascertain for yourself that, oh no, the people are cutting fresh logs, not old logs. Why? Are we not part of Ghana? Or is it because Burkina Faso na say? Why? Come and see. Captain Smart, Mikasa say, just the day before yesterday, we had a windstorm. As I speak to you, almost every compound house in Tumu Township, not to talk about the surrounding villages, where there has been heavy illegal logging. Carpenters are on our roofs, nailing our roofs. We used not to have such things. We are seriously in crisis in 3 northern regions. Especially, I can speak for the Sasala area. We are seriously in crisis.
Mamenda was say, I am Gabawa Fatao. BBS Chameton Safrobium.
Medawasi.
And that's
Thank you.
You welcome. Mami Joyce Sofori Kwafo, head of corporate affairs and media relations, Emma Forestry Commission. Auntie Kwafo, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Patro, that to say.
Onyamia do me who ye palmo so mo today.
About the other room, I am here.
Ye do nyamia say.
Patro Forestry Commission, we are worth over 820 million tons of rosewood, and the Jeffrey Ghana hako amain hodo also.
Me palcho sa figure you de. Me nti hu pupu biara ye. Dey se meko na meko bisa. Young office. Na one mama statistics no. Nia wo ho fesein ansa na metumi aka ho asem.
Yo.
Nia wo kai ye nia minim se hu wa hi o. Se obi nso na o ka kire o. Na me mom di minim say this is the quantum. It me palcho mama nkomachi na me nsanmra.
Okay.
What's our figure you?
Patro, me were United Nations website.
You.
And this was posted, Patro, remember exact date. October 17th, 2016. As of October 17th, 2016. Our United Nations Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, Marase, Yambo Rosewood, who Ghana, and Israel, who by Wamoka say, Ghana Hankwano, we have close to 3.7 million species of rosewood. And Israel, 250 species of rosewood. According to the United Nations, baby, I make fee www.un.org/WRI blog 2016/10/UN issues new protections rosewood trees ivory forest. And one more patch I say, as of that time, no. Now over 820 millions of tons of rosewood and a smuggle from Africa through Ghana.
Me paucho you know Africa. One get a Ghana nkwa. It me paucho mami fisha Ghana figure no. Ye na me ansa na metumi aka ho asem.
Samedog Africa then account there will go beyond 820 million. Ghana is 820 million because United Nations according to Adia Kutami American patch for camera and brand capture that one me TV net no. Omo patch said there are only 2 African countries.
You.
The only African country will be Ivory Coast. Only 2 species, just 2 species.
You.
And Israel what 250 species. And Ghana what 3.7 million. Your name, Mr. Bawa Kasakrokacha, and say Upper Western Kwan, they have over 3 million species.
You.
Which confirms United Nations report, no? It's a man of me busas and Yabia Sabia Moya aware.
Me paucho ya aware. Say there is a treaty I say about rosewood human. Na yeke say about human and then she say wo chakra. Nature say ye be channel so ye be for kwanpa to na echa. And he say wo baba forestry commissioner so na what big j to me. Nhuma e wo say won saka na ya kira wo kwan a wo be for so a wo betwa. Enya se wo be wuram na watwa ne basabasa na wo be wura kwai num o anojo be sumu ana obiara ni mo hwe forestry fu ni mo hwe na wakotwa eno ni asema ewo ho
okay
se yefa okwan patu na ye twa dia ani se yen akwan mu ye login legal login wo ho now so eyi no wonya ne sa eno na edi ohaw ni nyina abane obiara wura kwai bia mu no twa rosewood obiara wura ba bia no twa rosewood and I the Suma Forestry Commission staff impo ya ponga ya befie no sabrene na nipa boni fo no wura ibi yan reserves mu na wokoria rosewood ne deba captain wokum yan dabia enani nansen yara na wo hwe mi yekoya obako ayi a pocha ekum no won no woreba no wokura etuo ahoro a ano ye dinchen mia yang ni ye cry no merita yang game reserve for guards no won no woba no won aboa won ho iti wo faksa kwan yi sukum yang dabia yang workers ni se wokum won ani eno ye baako ni etosia bien captain say workers the forest reserve and yet to say if circle river kokomlemle derby a forest reserve SUE. So we offer baby to say Mole National Park, a captain, is about 4,400 square kilometers. Na forestry commission, young workers nimpo ya he. Na yebe to me a conwashia abonwa pro bribiarem ashe. And also ya another challenge. It's a forestry commission, ye go so ye read the young master ye say ye di. Now so near maybe what ye need to me was so bebre sa.
But any
rosewood in same you na ba.
Okay.
So what we are na wo ko twa no de begu kwan chen a wo hu ne da ye no de nam kwan so. Na so munya si kwan so na wo nin krata e dia any ya ba chiro. If you say yan monitoring teams wo ho. Ya wo yan tax force wo ho. Ah wo various checkpoints. Ah wo che. In bia ebetwam no wa hwese wo ho papers sani ese ansa na wanga ma kwan na wo di atwam se wonni paper ba kumpo emma papers na wo hia no esia no a eno no wo betro
but your companies is saying and individuals do say na mama mo tumi krata say wotumi twa rosewood
me pa so say ne de mirror to me nche companies do na wo rosewood ni ho dwuma enam say no ban no wo so ntimi dwumadi biara nkoso na ansa na ban ne beba no mirintimi nche companies do a eye ho adwuma
the nti ama me busa sa ne say what kind United Nations treaty na UN Convention on International Trade and Endangered Species here na executive paragraph no summary no paragraph 8 no say mama ye kan twi ntimi mfa nkotwi no pa che say say you publish with established legal documents enipa yama omutumi se wontwa rosewood in every country obufi se bi oho no yem publish wondin ye hu se company we Titles Global Limited, Captain Smart Limited, Kwafo Limited womo na yama omutumi se wontwa rosewood no enta ma me bisa san ye bia no ma publish munim
me pa cho se o kete official publication dia no di yenye bi yenye bi na so obia adwuma ku biara ya man kwan se onye rosewood ho adwuma no na chese forestry commission nim na chese waging required documents at the forestry commission ho wa fa process nim ansa na obetumi atwa rosewood no se onye obia okowia dia na wa fa kwan papa so na odere
Pacho treaty no kase obi twa rosewood ba ko a ewo compensation of that particular tree na wetwa no say odema oman no won amamo omon krata no mutua
me pa tell you
omutua say
obetua kwansa na young officers in young districts na kwa inspection kra wo baby ania wetwa na gu ho no
ene sesa na tie de na omutua mpade a na edua ba ko hu bia na ye sa compensation na chese mo behunu rosewood do a ye twa ogana ha
me pa so say yakoye record mu se sia ye behu o ani di ye be hu
acho moje say
ya ye be hu nia won nam okwanpa so echa na nia won awia ne de ebe ye den kakra
yo na ba ko compensation ye say
mi pa cho mami nkometi mami sang frel
okay
na mi sang fasa amount ni tugwa
Pacho, mate say mami a na ye friend no Helena Hwang. Ye man bill say or small girl Rosewood no ye pena ye hu no.
Me pa cho ya tin.
Ma ye ho dan.
Yo, captain any say. Social commission me say young Juma ye di was adi mo any say young tax force to me chere cars no. Young police for ya chere cars no. In friend cars no any emu ni nyara or forestry commission office. Na ye call police station. Ye call young army asem. Officers are involved in the arrest ni nyara. Wanga call wanga army asem. Inti prosecution ne de se ebe court no eno ye police for asem. Eno ye one Juma wodi se bia wodi record court na work as the forestry commission for wodi Juma so no wo eyi mu nti mo mra na bia court mo fa mo ano asem metugwa ye beko. Na mpemprenyi de yawie yende na ya handi over ama police one na nya kan SSL watch aso me patrol sana etene
patrol
ye wogidi wo won say wo be ye adwuma pe say ye ne won aye adwuma acha bibiara mu no eba prosecution now wo hwe na ekoso pepepe nti won so won akwan a wo fa so a wo didi won dwuma nti me patrol ye nya uma won
Atoda de bia yenjaw sa ye jawe hwempie de ye jawo nyina mo bia mo kroma galamse sa na ye o mo ka chense yenjaw ma won ma me ye jaw ma won sa nkosi hui ye twede hwe wankasa mo ankasa forestry commission bra mo abre e wo chenso ahodo a ma chechie gu office
enya sam titwa
akosi sen
captain yeah Senya mi kai se yenya uma police no won so won kwan a wo fa so chainsaw no yenya results the brave won a ko prison won a ya fine won ama last 2 years judge be cry ya man award if so ono the illegal chainsaw asam koton anima or fa won chow
yo
if impen bebre no lawyer for any police one yanga dijuma no one yanga dini
yo
nti ye daso wo gidi wo mu se be biara no kwareda no wo de beto emra kwan biara wo se wo de fa so no minim se wo de ne be fa so mi je di se bi oda so ti ase onwu ye nti okwan a wo be fa so a wo be kire no na ne se wo ye no wo be ye no minim se wo be ye captain nti wo de yen koso ra nya ma won ye jaw ma won a wo de be fa kwan paso
Mami Musa me last question na ye famre wi na bobo ahun ya me ya aduma wukua da statistics amomo woni na wabomodin ade a fa
me pa show you
ye be safro na
ye de be tugwa
tinya me ya aduma wukua da de ye be san frel na
me pa show you ma ye krado me twen mo
pa show you
me damasin
yenso ye da ase papa na momfa moni enko ho na monhwe
ye damase ye guso ye redi hudwuma ye guso pa se John ona oni na apamfo nyina wo na ye rebo ye ho modern se ye bebo oman ya kwan ho ban ye sa edi asem kese na ebebre ye
ne boarding chain cocoa Rosewood 1 ton ye $17,000
me I'll show you
mo and a cocoa 1 ton here $1,700 10 times the price of cocoa mo wan shebe mo betimi ayama binder instead say ankra na ebia ebetwa akoton no te say the aban na to cocoa no ebia aban na nkasa de ho agimom no wato Rosewood no e de akwaman so
yo captain let me say ma wa kai obro ni be say food for thought ya da twene ho na ya hwe enam say ye fata kwa no sumpo a obirin to me nko na wakowia efise se wo ba wo be hwe won krata a wo de disadwuman ansa na se bia abang betompo awato nti mi je bi se suggestion a wo de abai se ye tumi fa na ye to one among a ebeboa oman me pa ye da se me de beto me mpanyimfo anim na ya bobo hu na ya hwe tania ye betumi aye nafa e ya adwempa
but asese waje madwen kiratom
me so me da wase
but ase Abusha Rosewood asama ye kan mewie Now, the first akonwa yɛde Rosewood here was 1823. It is still strong. United Nations say it is still the strongest furniture in the world. Those of you on Facebook, you can have a look at it. Where, 1823. United Nations say it's still the strongest furniture in the world. Because when we move from Abrosea Tosso in Siaso say a mesh from no one say Diana Bebua, Adriana Bakukra Wenti. 1823. The whole world, so 2 countries and a war, Rosewood, a year Papa, Ghana and Israel. Israel crowd were only 250 species. Yeah, were 3.7 million species. Oh, Ghana ha. You jam China for say you gold. As answer be chat. Rosewood no so edeko. Yami aduma ukuyada ye beto aso. Ade bia wo mem ha no ye bebo ho ban. That's the responsibility of Fabewo so. Yami kan ho say wutie ye. Ene de ebusuafo mo mfa nche yen. Ahoma no ye bebie no ukuyada. Nyame aduma ukuyada na fei. Yetimi ebie no enso de atum ho e de amount. Honorable Daniel ni kwate Titus Glover. MP Ababitru, Deputy Minister of Transport, Republic of Ghana. Oha, Sanso and Kwakubuai, Deputy Communications Officer, the National Democratic Congress. And so, Kasima Bakuna Fei non kono abo. Yadani Waba Yaba, Yadim Pensimno, Abetraso. But Shannon Subami said, Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, Franco Trading Enterprise, and adomonline.com. One minute fast in here. Yeah, they a Fabewo so. Ebro.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3. Only God can stop us now.
106.3